Hello, my dear students. Today we will start our next lesson, lesson number 10. The name of lesson is Plants, Our Green Friends. Let's warm up. Find out the names of some fruits and vegetables in the word search. One is done for you. Hint: there are 3 fruits and 5 vegetables name. Read on. Look at the picture of a plant given below. Trace the dots to complete the names of the parts of the plant. Students, plants are living organisms. They come in many different shapes, sizes and colors. But they all need water, air, nutrients and sunlight to live. Plants cover much of our planet. Every blade of grass, tree, flower, bushes, ferns or mosses you see in a plant, large or small, on the land or in the sea, from forest to deserts. Plants are almost everywhere. Plants are so important to life on earth that without them we could not survive. Plants create food from the sunlight and form the foundation of nearly every food chain on the planet. Plants produce the oxygen in the air we breathe, helping animals to stay alive. Plants also create important habitats where animals can live and provide humans with many natural resources. Now I will discuss plants of the plant to you. A plant has many different parts and each part has a set of works to do to keep the plant healthy. Plants provide us with food materials, medicines, wood, and they also convert carbon dioxide into life-giving oxygen. Okay? The two important main parts of the plant are the root and the shoot. Roots originate from the lower portion of a plant inside the ground. Roots absorb moisture in nutrients, anchor the plant in the soil, support the stem and store food, such as potatoes and carrots. Shoot is the part of a plant that we can see above the ground level. The undeveloped shoot is called the bud. The undeveloped shoot is called the bud. The shoot has different parts called stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Let's learn about each part one by one. Number 1, stem is the stalk of the plant. It helps plant to stand upright. It is generally green when young and later often become dark brown. The stem carries water and minerals from the roots to leaves and carries food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. The branches are parts that grow from the stem. Next, leaves. Leaves grow on the stem and branches. They are usually green due to the presence of chlorophyll that helps them to prepare their own food. Leaves also make the oxygen in the air that we breathe. Leaves have small opening called stomata through which plants take in and given out air. Next, the flower. Flowers generally are the showiest beautiful part of a plant. Their fragrance and beauty attract pollinators like birds and insects that play an important role in the productive process. The fruits by the process of pollination, many flowers grow into yummy fruits which we eat. The fruits contain seeds. Some fruits have one seed, some have two, and some fruits can have many seeds that grow into new plants. Now I will discuss types of the plants. We see many types of plants around us. They have different shapes and size. Some are big and some are small. Now, types of the plants. Number 1, trees. Very big and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick brown woody stem called trunk. They live for many years. Yes, students, big and strong plants are called trees. They have a hard and woody stem called a trunk. They live many years like neem tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, gulmohar tree. Mango have many branches. Neem tree and banyan tree have many branches as you can see through the image. But some cases like coconut and palm do not have branches. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They look like bushes. Herbs have a thin brown woody stem. They live for a few years. Shrubs are small plants. They are smaller than trees. They have many thin and woody branches that grow close to the ground. They also live many years. Examples like rose, jasmine, and mehndi. Number next, herbs. Herbs, very small plants, are called herbs. They have a soft green stem. They live for a few months. Herbs are very small plants. They have a thin green and soft stems. They live for few months. Examples like mint, sunflower and grass. Next, climber. Climbers are plants with weak stem. They climb on a support to stand straight. Climbers have weak stems. They cannot stand straight. They need support to grow straight. Examples like pea plant, grapevine, money plant. Next is creepers. Creepers also have weak stem. These plants creep along the ground. Creepers grow along the ground. They cannot stand straight because they have weak stem. Example, pumpkin, watermelon. Now students, some plants like lotus and water lily grows in water. They are called water or aquatic plants. Now I will explain this point. Plants grow in water. Many plants grow in water. Many plants grow in ponds, lakes and other water bodies. Such plants found in water are called aquatic plants. Okay students. Example, water lily and lotus. Students, in next part of this video, I will explain remaining part of the lesson and exercise of the lesson. Okay. Thank you students.